Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know what you should do if the Zara app is not working properly. So if you're unable to log, if you're having issue with the Zara app, then in order to fix it, what you can do is you can follow the steps. First thing first, you have to go ahead and check your internet connection. So the application doesn't function without internet, so sometimes poor or unstable internet connection can be one of the major issue why the Zara app is not working properly. And at the same time, if the application has not been updated in a while, then it might be another reason. So go to your app store and on the search box, go ahead and type in Zara and locate whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely updated or that you're done updating the application, you should try login and see whether if the issue still persists on, then you can also try clearing your cache as well as data. For that, go ahead and long press on the application, go to the app info page, and here go ahead and tap on storage and cache, and make sure to click on clear cache as well as clear storage, and make sure to log in once again, and that should also be able to fix your issue all at once. And despite doing all of these procedures, you're still able to fix it or that the application isn't working properly, then you can try restarting your device and at the same time reinstalling the app. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. So these are the method that you should be doing if the Zara app is not working properly. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.